Assam Police seized over 61,000 bottles of banned cough syrup worth 4 crore rupees. According to authorities, in the Churabari area of Assam's Karimganj district close to the Tripura border, Assam authorities confiscated 61,000 bottles of illegal cough syrup with a market value of 4 crore rupees from a truck. Police also detained the truck's driver. Police claimed that they stopped a truck in the Churabari region after receiving a tip. Pratap Das, Additional Superintendent of Police of Karimganj district, told to the reporters that further investigation is underway.